Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean live environment so you can restore safely. Plug a verified Linux Mint Live USB and connect the external disk with your timeshift snapshot. Reboot and select the USB from your BIOS or UEFI menu. Disable Secure Boot if it prevents booting. Once the live session loads, open disks to confirm partitions and mount the root partition read/write. Then open timeshift so you can begin the actual restore. This avoids modifying a running system and preserves data integrity. You now perform the core restore with timeshift. Launch timeshift from the live desktop, choose the snapshot that matches the system state you want, and verify the target device is the installed root partition. Click Restore and follow prompts to overwrite system files. Timeshift will scrub file permissions and rebuild configurations. Make sure to include bootloader and system files if available. Once complete, timeshift will report success. Do not reboot yet. There's a crucial repair step to ensure the system boots cleanly. You finish by repairing the bootloader and verifying the restored system. Mount your root and boot partitions, bind/dev/proc/sys, then root into the restored root and reinstall grub for your firmware mode, BIOS or UEFI, so the machine boots. Run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to reconcile packages, then exit root, unmount, and reboot into the restored system. If the system fails to boot, keep the live USB and check fstab UUIDs and grub installation. Mismatched UUIDs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.